Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn synthetic division, how to divide a polynomial by uh, linear expression and also quadratic expression. So now let's take this one example and see. So what is that? Let's say here x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 26x minus 24 is divided by x minus 4. When this is divided by x minus 4, you need to find out remainder and quotient. And remainder I'm writing r, quotient I'm writing is q of x what. So here, what is synthetic division? Synthetic division, actually this synthetic division is a short method, okay, to find out the quotient and remainder when this is divided by x minus 4. Actually, if at all you see, this quotients we are writing 1, minus 6, 3, coefficients are this, coefficients we are writing. That means actually what we are doing is we are not writing variables, we are not writing, if you write the variables and do not, it's going to be long. So therefore we are not writing the variables. So only simply by writing this, this coefficients actually matters. So therefore we are writing the coefficients and we are doing by shortcut. So there first we have to make 0, that 0 we are putting like last class I explained. This one if we add, you are going to get 1. So you have to multiply. Here you have to add. You have to add. This is reverse process. We have to add. So you are going to get 1. So then you have to multiply here. This is 4. Then right, 1 4 is 4. Add again, multiply. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Add minus 5. 4 5 is minus 20. Add 6. 4 6 are 6 4s 24. Add, this is going to be 0. Understand, this is going to be always 0. This part is 0 and this part is what is quotient. Now here quotient I am writing q of x, that is because here fourth degree we divided with a linear. So first degree we divided first degree, fourth degree when divided by first degree, obviously what you are going to get is third degree. That is quotient is x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, this is what is the quotient, and what is remainder. Here in this case remainder we got 0. Actually remainder you get a constant. Actually what is the remainder? Already we saw by remainder theorem f of 4 is what is the remainder. If you find f of 4 also, you are going to get 0. Okay, this is what is this is what is synthetic division. How to divide a polynomial by using a linear expression. So sometimes you may have ax plus b, you may have to divide with ax plus b. So then what you should do, x equal to minus b by a is what you should take. Here x equal to 4 we have to take. Sometimes ax minus b will be there, then x equal to obviously b by a is what you have to take. And finally after getting this remainder and this, you have to multiply with the a. So then you will get the remainder you get. And of course here remainder is not going to be changed, because remainder is when this is divided by this ax minus b, if remainder is f of b by a, you are going to get the same, no problem. Okay, all right. So we are going to take another example. So hope you understand this one. So now let's take another example. So if I hope that is good enough. So we are going to take okay, then we are going to see if when f of x is a polynomial of here second degree or more. So this f of x degree with I am writing degree greater than or equal to 2, because we are dividing with what, x square minus px minus q. If I divide this one with x square minus px minus q, then what is the quotient and remainder? That's also synthetic division. We are going to learn that also. Let's take an example here. So example is here 2x power 5 minus 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 9 is divided by here x square minus x minus 3. So here, as I told, this is derived from, actually this is derived from normal division only. There's a method to do it. Means how do we get this one? There's a method actually. Here you see here here P and Q is what you should write. That means here P is 1, Q is 3. You should write here. This is 1 I wrote, see, and here this coefficient is 1, this coefficient is 3. So I wrote here. So here we should write all the coefficients like previous one. Here 2, this is minus 3, this is 5, and this is minus 3, this is 7, and this is minus 9. So here they have to put 2 zeros, and here is 0. Here also you have to put 0. This is a method. Y and all we'll learn later. So now this, first you have to add like previous only. This you have to multiply with this, like previous 2 ones 2. You have to add minus 1. Now what you should do is minus 1 into 1, minus 1 like previous, but this 2 into 3, this is 6. So this is going to be 10. Now 10 ones 10 like previous, and this previous one into minus 3. Hope you understand this into this. Then here you should write, and then minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So now you understand this is 4. 4 into 1, 4. And 10 into 3, 30. So here this is going to be 41, right? Oh, all right. So this 41 into 1 is supposed to be written here, but you should not do that. This 41 into 1 you should leave. That must be 0 only. Then 4, 3 is 12 is what you need to write here. That's going to be 3. So now here this is what is the remainder. Why? Because you are dividing this 5th degree with the 2nd degree. Understand? 5th degree you are dividing with 2nd degree. Quotient must be 3rd degree. That means quotient is 2x cube minus x square plus 10x plus 4 is what is your quotient. Remainder, you understand, remainder must be here. You are dividing with a quadratic. When you are dividing with quadratic, remainder must be linear. So 41x plus 3. So this is what is your remainder. Hope this is clear. Hope it's clear. So you understand, this one is 2nd degree. Now when you are dividing with 2nd degree remainder won't come. So what, 1st degree or constant remainder will come. That's the reason these two places are for remainder. So okay, actually in this exercise, next we are going to see next set of problems. Next exercise, we are going to actually questions will be given as there will be some relation between roots. That means one root is the square of the other, one root is twice the other. So like that, some relation will be given, and based on that, we have to find out all other roots. So actually, we know generally we use trial and error method, but sometimes we may not get the root so easily. So here in this exercise, no, they will give you the relation between roots. Then we are going to find out all other roots. So like that, this exercise is there where you are going to use trial and error method also, and also you are going to use synthetic division, because if one root is known, you have to divide. Na? If one root is known, you have to find out other roots. That means what you should do, you have to divide. So in the division, so you need not do long division method. Just you have to take the coefficients and shortly how to do it. So okay, so now we'll see 1 or 2 examples for that. Okay, now here this is, we have to solve x cube minus 7x square plus 36 equal to 0. And what is given here, you need to solve. One thing is given that given that one root is twice the other. One root is twice the other. So that is what is given. So now by using this information, we have to solve. Generally, how do we solve? We have to put here 36 is there. So here 36 factors. What are the plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6, right? Plus or minus 9, plus or minus 18, plus or minus 36. We have to put and you have to check. So that is trial and error method. But sometimes, so if this is given, so you are going to solve easily. What are the roots? One root is alpha, other root is 2 alpha. Then one more root will be there. That's, let's take beta. All right. So now what is given? One root is twice the other. So one root is twice the other. What about the third root? We don't know. So now sum of the roots means 3 alpha. This plus this plus this. Sum of the roots 3 alpha equal to what is this? This is sum of the roots is 7. So now here what is given is sum of the roots taken to a 10. this alpha into 2 alpha square, then 2 alpha into beta plus beta into alpha. See, this is what is given as 0, x coefficient, na? That is 0. So the next one is alpha into 2 alpha into beta. Product of three roots is minus 36. This is what is given. So now here, by using this information, we are going to find alpha beta. It's quite simple because here 2 alpha square beta equal to minus 36 is there. So here you have this. Actually, you have only two variables. You have three equations. You can solve it. So this is one. This one I'm going to simplify here. So 2 alpha square plus this is going to be 3 alpha beta equal to 0. So here you can take alpha common. So here actually we have a relation between alpha beta already there here. What we can do, we can here beta you can eliminate. So 2 alpha square plus 3 alpha beta, if you eliminate, what you are going to get? 7 minus 3 alpha, right? Beta is 7 minus 3 alpha equals 0. This is 2 alpha square plus 21 alpha minus 3 is 9 alpha square equal to 0. This is 9 minus 2 minus 7 alpha square plus 21 alpha equals 0. If you take alpha minus 7 alpha common, this is alpha minus 3 equal to 0. Either alpha equals 0 or alpha equal to 3. So that means, what does it mean alpha equal to 0? Alpha equal to 0 means one of the root is 0. Alpha 0 means to alpha 0, two roots are zeros, which is not possible. 0 is not root. So therefore, alpha 0 not possible. Therefore, alpha must be 3. If alpha is 3, then other root, 2 alpha is 6. So here if you substitute 3 alpha, 3 into alpha is 3 plus beta is this, beta equal to 1. So now what are the roots? 3 comma 6 comma 1. These are the 3 3 is a 9. I'm sorry, 3 3 is a 9. So beta is going to be minus 2. 7 minus 9. So 3 is 9. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So beta is going to be minus 2. Sorry, this is what. So these are the roots. You can check it. So like this. So I showed one example. So like this, actually you can answer. Hope you're clear. Okay. So like this, they will give you relation between the roots, and then you need to find out. Very interesting problems are there. Okay.